all right, fam. So a couple weeks later, it's after Thanksgiving. We do have the Audi back. However, there was issues with the dash lights coming on for adaptive headlights, and there's a couple other things that I found that were wrong with it. Once I got it home and started driving it around, one thing is that it leaks coolant. Let me pop this hood and just show you. So yeah, it's leaking coolant. I don't know if you guys can see it there, but it's leaking coolant from, looks like some small 1/4-inch fitting here. I'm not sure what it goes to. Doesn't even, oh, it looks like goes to the coolant overflow bottle. So it's leaking coolant from there. That quick disconnect, I don't know if you can see it dripping, but it's definitely leaking coolant right here. Another thing was, I was wondering what was rattling around under the hood, and it was the air cleaner was actually just disconnected and sitting on top of the engine itself. So I already went ahead and addressed that already. One other thing that was noticed after getting it from the body shop was there's a net that goes here in the trunk area, and the net's missing along with the bracket that holds the netting across here. So there's a bracket that goes from here to here the netting sits on. So that's missing as well. And then just the back cargo area was in disorderly fashion. This panel was completely open here to the fuse box. This lower cargo storage area was not in position, so that was easy enough to address. I do need them to replace this cargo net, find it in the shop and put it back, address that coolant leak up front, and adaptive headlight. They did call me and tell me that the adaptive headlight assembly is in, so I'm going to drop it off for that, and then hopefully they could address these other few issues that I found with the vehicle and get it back to me quickly. So hopefully there's a quick turnaround. I don't have a rental car, so what I have here is the 33 hooked up to the back of the Audi. If you've been following me, you know I can flat tow this, so I'm just going to tow it down with me, and that way I have a car to drive off in after I drop the Audi off. So that's what we're going to do. Don't have a rental car, so we'll use the 33 for now. I'm going to take the Audi down there and drop it off at the body shop. So I see you guys when we're at the body shop, or when I've already dropped it off, and then I'm back in the 33. So I'll check back in with you guys a little later. All right, fam, so I got pulled over driving the Audi, towing the 33. I was in the fast lane just trying to get through traffic, and dude pulled me over. You can see the highway patrol back there. Hopefully he's not writing me a ticket, but we'll see. Yeah, I was just mobbing in the fast lane towing the trailer, so they considered the 33 a trailer because it was in tow. So note to all you guys, stay in the slow lane if you're towing, even if you're flat towing another vehicle. All right, so let's see if we get a ticket, and I'll let you guys know a little later what the outcome is. So one last look of the police over there, and hopefully not giving me a ticket. All right, so I did get a ticket right here. And he wrote me a ticket for towing in the wrong lane. So I wasn't in the slowest lane, lane number 1. So they wrote me a ticket for being in the wrong lane. The officer was cool, I guess, because he didn't write me a ticket for speeding, but you know, because I'm not supposed to go over 55 with the trailer. So that's cool. But if he was really cool, he would have just gave me a warning. So I guess, I don't know. I guess it's cool. It'll probably be about a $250 ticket, but whatever. My fault. I wasn't in the right lane. But also wouldn't have to be making this drive if they fixed my vehicle right the first time. But that's neither here nor there. All right, we're just about here at the body shop, so I'm gonna cut the camera off. I'm gonna drop off my Audi and then unhitch the 33 and be on my way. I may just drop off the vehicle and then capture the final repair of the Audi in another video. If that's the case, thank you guys for watching. I do appreciate all you guys that are subscribed to the channel, and if you're not subscribed to the channel, go ahead and tap into the channel now by hitting that subscribe button. Don't forget to hit that notification bell too, so you know when I'm dropping my newest episodes. And until next time, stay good, family. Peace.